Today I want to take a moment to thank you for the support you have given me to help grow the Bald Eagle 242 channel. I've recently been blessed with over 7,500 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you that has clicked that subscribe button. Your support gives me the motivation I need to continue with these videos, and for that I sincerely appreciate it. I also want to thank and spotlight a few other YouTube channels and Instagram followers that make this a fun and supportive community for everyone. I've been very pleasantly surprised with the friendships I've developed along with this channel. I've started to receive letters and stickers from other YouTube channels and viewers, so I wanted to create a place to spotlight these channels and viewers. You can see over my shoulder I've created a sticker board out of dry erase material on the back of my garage door, so I'm going to start putting stickers up there as I receive them. That way I can kind of spotlight other channels that I've communicated with and I've become friends with and help support this community. One of the first stickers on this board will be a guy that has been a big part of the small engine community on YouTube. He helps support other channels, he helps moderate other channels, he's constantly in the chat helping out to answer questions and stuff, and it's just an all-around good guy. He does have a YouTube channel but currently has no videos posted. If you enjoy this kind of content and want to support a great guy, stop by Big John's Small Engine YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button. Maybe if we send enough subscribers his way, he'll start getting in front of that camera and making a few videos. We're looking at you, John. The second guy I want to mention also has a YouTube channel, but he's a little YouTube shy. He does, however, have an Instagram channel and posts some fantastic projects over there. He's just north of Chicago and services small engines in that area. If you're up that way, look him up. It's DRH Small Engine Repair. His YouTube channel is dr.lmsb445. Check him out on YouTube. He doesn't have any videos currently posted, but again, hit that subscriber button. We may encourage him to get up here and make some videos for us. The third guy I want to mention comes to us all the way from the United Kingdom to be a part of this worldwide small engine community. He has over 70 videos currently posted, and he also posts review videos showing common things that you may be interested in purchasing. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, check out Tinkering Taylor. Really good channel. He's got a lot of commitment to that channel. All right, this next guy, he claims to have 20 to 30,000 viewers routinely show up on his live streams. Now, I apparently keep showing up to this party late because I've never seen that many on there, but he welcomes all newcomers with open arms, so get on there and say hello, even if it's just in the chat. You know, he welcomes almost anybody up on videos, so if you want to get up there and talk to some of these guys, it's a great channel to get on and check those out. He's also been known to pull a Krusty Krab or two out of a mower he's working on, so check out some of those videos. He's got a whole series on the Krusty Krab. Of course, I'm talking about the world-famous Tom Doby of the Tom Doby Mower Repair channel, so check him out. Now, I may have to draw a beard on this face here because he's currently got a beard that's about 8 to 10 inches long, where this is a clean-shaven picture on this sticker, so I may have to kind of modify this picture a little bit so I recognize him. Tom, thank you for the sticker, my friend. All right, the next guy is a guy who has rarely ever cut grass in his life. He has no clue what a snowblower looks like or how to operate one of them. He lives in the Arizona desert and thinks it's freezing cold when it gets below 50 degrees. He was one of the first people to reach out to me as a YouTube creator, and I've gotten to know him pretty well. He's since changed the name of his YouTube channel to simply Andrew's Repair, but simply Small Engine Repair or simply Andrew's Repair. Andrew has just recently hit 1,000 subscribers. He's got, I believe, about 170 videos posted. So the following person is somebody that I have followed since they only had around 400 or 500 subscribers and 6 or 7 videos posted. They had stopped uploading content to YouTube for a long time when one of their videos just out of nowhere took off like crazy. That video had been sitting dormant for almost a year before it took off. That video sparked a rebirth of that channel, and as I post this, that video, that one single video, is now approaching almost 1 million views, and the channel has over 50,000 subscribers in less than 10 months. If you don't already know the Chickanic, I suggest you head over to her channel and check her out. She has worked very hard to keep her channel going for the last 6 or 7 months and shows no signs of slowing down. She hosts a regular live chat to answer technical questions and talk about projects she's working on, so check out her videos and check out her live chats too. She's got a really good live chat. So if you have a YouTube channel that you're struggling with, let this be a lesson. Never give up. Last but not least, guys, if you have sent me something that I did not include in this video, there's a good chance it was returned to you or it's been lost in the mail if it didn't have a return address on it, because Building B must be included with the address, or apparently the mailman can't figure out that anything with my name or channel name on it can all go to the same building. Anyway, guys, I apologize for that. I know some people have sent me some stuff that got returned because it didn't have that Building B or Suite B on it. Either one will get it there. It just has to have that B on it. Anyway, guys, until next time, I sincerely do appreciate the support.